This is how to actually do a hip thrust. Hi YouTube fam, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. On my channel we talk all things fitness education, workout tips, glute growth, muscle growth, and so much more. You guys have been requesting this all over TikTok. This is how to actually do a hip thrust.
Starting off, whether you're at home, at the park, or at the gym, you're going to find either a bench, a couch, or a chair that's stable so that you don't move when you lean against it. Next, you're going to lean back against the bench. You want to make sure that the bottom of your shoulder blades is touching the top of the bench or the couch. So you're going to sit against the bench with your knees up. You want to plant both your heels. You want your feet roughly shoulder width apart. Then to get yourself up on the bench, you're going to drive through your heels and lift yourself up on the bench, propping just below your shoulder blades up on the actual bench. Your feet should be around shoulder width apart. You want to also make sure that your feet are at a 90-degree angle with your legs. You want to make sure that your neck stays tucked, your chin is tucked, and that your neck is facing forward. You're not flailing as you go up, so you want your body to move as a whole, but you want your chest to stay relatively stable. As you go down, you want to make sure that you're not separating or disengaging your abs. A lot of people do this, and this is a common misconception, is that you're actually supposed to disengage your core and just scoop your butt up like an ice cream cone. This is actually really hard on your lower back, especially if you're lifting heavy weight. You want to make sure that your core is staying tight. So while your chin stays tucked and your chest stays up, you want to make sure that you're engaging your core so that you move almost in a hinge movement rather than a scooping. You want to keep your abs tight and make sure that your butt is still squeezing, but you're not straining your lower back. Next, you want to make sure that you're not overextending your back or your glutes. You don't need to come all the way up so that your whole body is completely in line and above the bench. You want to come up just until your glutes firmly squeeze, so again, creating that 90-degree angle. You don't need to hyperextend your glutes or your back to get full engagement. So remember, feet shoulder width apart, 90 degrees, chin tucked, chest up, moving as a hinge together with your core flexed.
That is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is how to actually perform a hip thrust. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Check me out on all my other socials, you already know. Comment down below on what video you want to see next, and I'll talk to you guys in a couple days. Love you so much. Bye.